It has a hood too.
Has
That's
a
what I like.
hoodie.
Look at that. That is dope.
Yes, it's cute.
Hey, don't tell them what's going to pop out.
What's up, Eliott Family of 7+, all you guys.
Make sure you like and subscribe, but why?
Why? Because we coming with that fire content every single day.
Hey, what do we got today?
Today, we are doing a Fashion Nova unboxing.
Yes, indeed. Unbagging, unboxing.
Yes.
Same thing. I might have to drop the camera down. You think so?
This is big, y'all.
I'm going to get a better angle while we doing it, y'all.
All right, and how's the lighting? I hope it's okay.
See? That's better, huh?
That's better, so you guys could see. Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah, I should have been
All
there.
right.
That.
Don't mind the wristbands in the background.
We're at a staycation
right now. Yes.
God is good.
All the time. All right, y'all. Let's get into this. So, as I showed y'all, here's this heavy.
It's a big bag of Fashion Nova.
It's a big bag.
By the way, before we get into this, we're affiliates of vidIQ. If you want to grow and boost your YouTube channel by YouTube Certified Professionals, click the link in the description box below.
Down below. All right,
I'm
let's
ready.
see.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I wonder what we got. I forgot what we got.
Okay, so it comes with Fashion Nova. If it don't fit you, it gives you details of how to return it. This is 25% off your next order.
Oh, we need that.
Yes.
25% off your next order?
That's what's up.
Yes, today.
Yes, today. All right, this is so big. Let's start out with this.
What is that?
I don't know. So this is called the Black Combo. And it says, all she needs bumper jacket.
Oh, this is your jacket.
Is it bomber or bumper?
Bomber jacket. Show
Okay.
everybody your jacket.
So let's see. Ooh.
Oh, a bomber. Oh, that's a bomber jacket. Yeah.
It's a bomber jacket. Okay. So this is retail. Does it have a price on there?
No, it's retail for retail. Look at the bomber jacket,
So
y'all.
here's the jacket.
This is K Money's jacket.
Oh, it's covering us, y'all.
Look at that. Look at
This
that.
feels nice. Okay.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So that's like a nice, fitting inside.
Yeah.
Nice jacket.
Yeah, it's a nice jacket.
All right.
And it's about to cool down here in Arizona. You would think, why would you need a jacket in Arizona? Well, it's going to get pretty cool pretty soon, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
All right. Now, this is Dream City Biker Short Set. Okay.
Is this yours?
I think this is mine. Yeah.
Oh, Lord. We all on K Money stuff. What
We
about
gonna
my
get
stuff?
to you.
We gonna
gonna get to
Should
you.
I just do a separate unboxing of my own stuff? You know what I mean?
Oh, don't be jealous. Okay. So this says Los Angeles, New York, Italian, Tokyo, San Francisco, London, Dubai, Shanghai, Dream City, Barcelona,
Mars.
Paris, Vienna, Prague,
Saturn, the moon. Golly, how many places they gonna go on that shirt?
and Seoul. Okay.
See y'all, literally.
Ah.
Oh shoot.
So it's supposed to it's meant to be like a little oversized.
Oh, that's a nice shirt. Y'all like this shirt?
And
This
it
is a cool
comes
shirt.
with some biker shorts.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, money came up.
So we're gonna do a try on haul as well.
Yeah, that's separate. So look forward to the try-on haul.
Try on.
Husband rates his wife's Fashion Nova, and then plus size Fashion Nova, and then wife rates husband plus size Fashion Nova because we plus size.
I think that might be yours.
All right, this
I think
says
so.
still believe basic tee.
I don't know. Let's hope it's his. I don't know. I feel bad. He want to open something, y'all.
Yeah, I feel bad. This ain't mine. Look, it's the woman straps. You see these things? When you see this clear thing, that means a woman strap.
That means
Here,
a woman.
go ahead, show me your woman straps.
Okay. Ooh, this is cute. It's just a basic black tee.
But it's nice.
It's nice.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
I mean, do I have anything in this big
All right.
giant bag? I mean,
Yes.
oh my God.
Here we go. This is definitely yours. This is the Eliott Track pant set.
Ooh.
He got something, y'all.
So this says, yeah, Eliott Track pants.
He's so excited.
I'm so excited. Woo! Oh, I like these.
Wow.
I like it a lot.
Those look nice.
Wow, they're a little big, but I like them.
So they got zippers at the bottom.
Look at those. Those are big and tall, huh?
He's a tall guy.
Big and tall,
He's a tall guy, guys.
That looks nice. Y'all like it? Comment down below if you like my little track pants.
All right.
All right.
Here's this one's yours again. This is called the Cornell Slim Jeans.
Cornell Slim Jeans.
Yes.
Yes, actually I remember these because I like to be slim.
He is losing a lot of weight.
Alright, I got some jeans. I got some jeans.
Some black jeans.
Okay, got some nice basic black jeans. Fashion over style.
Yes.
Fashion over men.
Feels nice.
I needed some black jeans though, y'all.
Yeah.
So.
I like those.
I like it too.
Alright, now let's get to this.
I like those jeans, y'all.
This is the Timeless Bomber Jacket. So it looks like it's the same, it might be the same thing but a different color. Oh no, so, is this one yours or mine?
I don't know, I think it's mine.
Oh, no, this is a female's.
How do you know?
I could just tell.
How do you know?
Because the males don't got it tight down like this.
How do you know? What size is, oh, I ain't supposed to say that.
Yeah, we ain't doing
We ain't saying sizes.
But I did get some plus size stuff. This is my first time.
You're supposed to get 2 bomber jackets though, so yeah, that's probably
I think this is it.
That's nice.
This is my first time getting Fashion Nova clothes for myself. I know Aaliyah gets Fashion Nova.
First time for A-Train to get it. So this will be first time getting Fashion Nova unboxing.
Yes. So, I don't know. On the charts online, when you order it online, it says like order bigger. So, we'll have to see. I was a little bit hesitant about it, but comment down below. Have you ordered Fashion Nova? I'm sure a lot of you have. Did you order a size up or the regular size? We'll find out though.
Yeah, let us know your experience to ordering for Fashion Nova. I gotta hear this.
This is a cute jacket.
It's nice. It has a hood too. That's what I like. Look at that. That is dope.
Yes, this is cute.
Hey, don't tell them what's gonna pop out. I'm just playing. I'm just hating.
I'm
hating. I want a jacket. I do, but I don't. But I do.
He is hating.
Hopefully, I have a jacket in here.
All right. So next up is what are these?
What are those?
What are those? Okay, this is called the Tracing Outlines Distressed Denim Shorts. This is a light wash.
Oh, you got a nice pair of shorts. Get it, girl.
Get it, girl.
Get it, girl.
And these are mid-rise Bermudas.
Ooh, I like it a lot. I like the little designs in it, the little cuts and snippets and stuff.
Yes, and it says just like has a tag on there.
So that's like that. See, look, that's what you need in Arizona.
Yeah.
I like how what is this right here? Why they put paper right here? Look, y'all. What's up with the paper? What's this represent?
That comes on a lot of clothes like that.
It does?
I don't know why. Yeah. And then like, I like how it has a torn.
Yeah, that is cool. That's cool. That is
going to be
It's
cute.
going to show all her tattoos.
Yes.
Even the ones she's trying to hide.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just playing.
I'm
just playing.
I think this one may be for you.
Maybe it says Fashion Over Men. Come on.
I didn't see it. Where does it say that at?
Right here. Fashion Over Men.
Okay.
Fashion Over Men. It is called the Bane short sleeve tee. The Bane. Like from Batman. Bane. Alright, let's see.
Calm down, calm down, calm down.
I'm excited. So excited.
So excited.
Ooh, got some paper on there I can use after this.
I'm trying to wrap my Christmas gift with that.
Yeah, I sure will.
Ooh, that's nice.
Ooh.
What does it say on the front?
It says sport. So sport. I like this shirt, y'all.
So it's black, yellow, and white. On the front it says sport, and then on the back it's full black. Is that black or
this is,
yeah, it's black.
Yeah, this is black. Comment down below. Do you like my new shirt that says sport? It's basic, but it's Fashion Nova, boo.
Nova.
I like it. And look, and Fashion Nova prices are amazing. Yeah. You won't believe the price I got for this. I think it was under $10.
Mm-hmm.
Under $10.
Y'all, and they do have like a clearance section online as well, so make sure to check that out.
That's where I be at, the clearance, because if anything costs more than about $3, I ain't wearing it. So usually I like to wear the same stuff for 10 years now.
He's imagining that. Okay. Anyways, let's move it right along. This says Fashion Nova Men.
Yeah!
This is called the Bobby Track Jacket.
Yes. The Bobby Track jacket.
My thing is there's some wet stuff in here.
Is it? I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is, y'all, but it
there's
looks like
a hole in the bag, so maybe the babies did it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That looks nice.
Oh, shoot.
Dang. Suck it now.
Suck it. Nice track jacket, y'all.
Yes.
This is a nice track jacket, y'all.
Aaliyah's behind the scene claiming what she wants
Nah,
from
you
this
ain't
pile.
getting nothing. Mama barely gets anything for herself, so that's all hers.
You
This
don't
is
wear
nice.
pants like that.
These are short.
Oh, those are shorts.
I know, I wear shorts like that. I like the ones that are ripped and stuff.
Well, too bad. That's your mom's. Watch it.
Uh-oh.
She almost knocked our camera down, yo.
Yeah, so this looks nice. How's it look in the back?
The back looks like
It's
this.
gray.
Like
gray
this
blue.
and that. Hey.
Got a white stripe on the side.
Hey, with the right stripe. I like this jacket.
That's
y'all.
a nice
It's
jacket.
a little big, I'm gonna be real.
Yeah.
I knew I should have got the size that I knew I should have got the size.
I'm kind of thinking
They
that
say
too.
to get a size up, but it's like everything that we got so far is the right size. So
Yeah.
I don't see Fashion Nova dropping the ball anywhere.
Okay, this is our last unboxing. Give Me Details Floral Top is what this one's called.
Is that yours?
Yeah, this one's mine.
How do you
see
know?
how it's all
Men can
wet?
wear floral.
Thank you.
Does it say Fashion Nova men?
It don't say man on there. Look, he's hoping for another one, y'all.
I don't care if it's polka dots. Just give me a shirt.
This bag's wet. Okay.
Ooh, bougie.
Bougie.
Whoa, see-through.
Take me to a steak dinner, baby.
Yeah,
That looks
Walmart.
nice.
You got some deals at
That
Walmart.
looks nice.
You gonna get your steak dinner tonight?
Oh, Lord. He could cook, though, so I ain't even going to
Yeah.
trip.
It's gonna be bottom shelf. You know what I mean?
All right, so that is... Did he say bottom shelf?
Huh? I said top shelf. You know what I mean?
I need nothing but that prime. What is it?
Prime is the highest level.
I
of
need
steak.
that prime, y'all. Okay.
Mhm.
Especially if he ain't trying to take me to a steak dinner.
Sure.
I'm going to need that prime.
Mm.
All right, so this is actually very, very, very soft, comfortable. It's like a
Comfortable?
little stretch. Yeah.
Oh, this is soft. This is soft like
Super soft.
Soft like a pamper.
This is like puff arms, which is super cute.
Yeah. Hold
I
on.
like
Does it
that.
squeeze tight though? Does it squeeze tight?
No, it looks like
Okay.
it stretches.
Okay, it stretches. Okay.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is cute.
That is nice. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. Yes. So we definitely would like to say if you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the family, we appreciate you for taking your time out today to return to our video. And if you are new to our channel, welcome to the family.
Welcome to the
Yes,
family.
we do it all, y'all. So
I wish we could.
stay tuned. That's our Fashion Nova.
Oh,
Oh, are you trying to get a thumbnail?
yeah.
Dang, he trying to be slick with it,
I
y'all.
try to
He
be
didn't even
slick.
tell me. He just cared about his smile. What about mine?
Oh, it's okay, boo. It's okay,
Let's
boo.
retake that.
You want to take? Hey, y'all. So what do y'all think? Hold on. Should I
I
hold?
don't know.
Hold on. How am I gonna hold this stack for everybody? That is so cool. What do y'all think?
We'll
Did
see
I-
how it looks.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see
mess
if we
around
use
with
it.
it.
But one thing we would love to say is
Thank you for joining the Eliott Family of 7+, all you guys.
Make sure you all like and subscribe. But why?
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 Because
Why?
we coming with that fire content every single day.
Stay
blessed
blessed.
and highly favored.
Peace.
Peace.